Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. Today we are sharing 10 lunch and dinner ideas for babies and toddlers. These are simple recipes which can be made in a few minutes and do not use too many ingredients. At the same time, your baby gets plenty of variety and wholesome nutritious food. I will also place the links of the detailed videos in the description box, so do check it out. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So without any further ado, let's get on to the first recipe. Vegetable khichdi, which can be given to 7 months plus babies. So put moong dal, rice and turmeric in a pressure cooker with 1 cup of water and let it cook for 3 to 4 whistles. If you want to thin it further, you can add more hot water. You can mash it with a spoon or blend it in a blender and give it to baby. Carrot and potato rice for 7 months and above. Wash the rice well and soak it in water. In a pressure cooker, add chopped potato, carrots, and rice. Add turmeric powder and water, and finally add the ghee. Cook for 3 to 4 whistles and let it cool on its own. Now mash the contents or blend. Spinach poha. Wash the poha nicely in running water 2 to 3 times and soak for about 15 minutes. Heat a pan and add ghee to it. Add cumin seeds and hing. Add spinach and saute. Finally add poha and mix well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes with a little water. Mash as per your requirement. Apple and suji kheer for 7 months and above. Roast the suji in the ghee. When it is roasted well, add some warm water and mix quickly. Finally add grated apples and cook with some more water. When cooked, turn off the heat and add milk as required. Moong, masoor and spinach khichdi for 8 months and above. Wash the dals and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat ghee in a pressure cooker. Add cumin seeds, spinach leaves, dals and rice. Finally add the spices, add water and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Mash as per your preference and serve. Vegetable soup. This is suitable for 6 months and above. Clean and wash all the vegetables that you want to add in the soup and dice them into small pieces. Put them in a cooker with water and turmeric and cook for 5 to 6 whistles till all the vegetables are very well cooked. Blend using a hand blender or mixer. Carrot and tomato soup for 8 months and above. Take a pressure cooker and add chopped tomatoes and carrots to it. Add a garlic pod and water to the cooker and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Blend the cooked vegetables till you get a fine puree. Use a strainer to strain the soup to get a very smooth soup for your baby. Suji upma. This can be given to babies who are 6 months and above. Dry roast the suji in a pan. Finally, add some water and the mashed vegetables and mix well. Bring it to your desired consistency for the baby. You can keep it a little thin because it keeps getting thicker as it cools down. Curd poha or beaten rice. This is very simple. Wash and soak the thin poha for about 5 minutes. Now mix it well with homemade curd. It will disintegrate completely. To give it some more taste, mash a banana and add the puree to this curd and poha. Dalia khichdi. This recipe is suitable for 1 year and above. Wash moong dal and dalia till they are clear and soak in water for half an hour. In cooker, heat ghee and cumin seeds, onion and saute till transparent. Add all the vegetables, dal and dalia. Roast for some time and finally add salt, turmeric, tomatoes and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can watch more tips on baby and childcare on chishuworld.com. We'll see you again very soon. Bye.